Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how to create the smudged gradient text effects within Adobe Photoshop. A really cool idea that you can apply to all types of typography. Just follow the simple steps that I show you today, and I guarantee you'll be able to create something really fresh and modern. As you can see, I've got this artboard with a black background, and the first thing I need to do is actually create the type. I'm going to come to the type tool here, click on the artboard, and I'm going to write the word Adobe. Now, I just want to make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to press Command T for Mac users or Control T for Windows users, and just increase the size, pressing Option to resize, Option to resize from the center point, and Alt if you are a Windows user. Okay, so let's get this positioned in the middle of the document there, which is about there. Fantastic. Okay, so now let's apply the gradient. I'm going to come through here to our adjustment layers and apply a gradient map. Now, this is the wrong colors for the gradient map itself, so I'm just going to click the gradient bar. If I scroll down to the bottom here, we have all of our preset gradients, but I've got one that I've already built. You can just sort of follow these colors here, sort of a black, a red, a really light blue, pinky sort of purpley color, and a white. And then we press OK. All right, so now we've got to create the smudge. I'm just going to come to our layers, click back onto our type here, and I'm just going to quickly rasterize this type. So I'm just going to right click on it and rasterize the type like so. And then what I'm going to do now is come to our smudge tool, which is situated here. I've kept the strength at about 10%. I'm just going to lower the size of this smudge. Just come up to here and click size. And now I can start to smudge the type like that, as you can see. And you can smudge it as much as you want, guys. Until you get to the point that you're happy. And there you have it, guys. That's how to create the smudge gradient text effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.